A new prosecutor is leading the case against Karen Read in her second murder trial in January. Norfolk County is going with an outside hire, a lawyer who once represented Boston mob boss Whitey Bulger.
NBC 10's Kirsten Glavin live in Dedham for us with details on the big change in this high-profile case. Kirsten?
Yeah, there will be a brand new face, new to the courtroom here, and that is a serious change. He comes with a lot of very serious legal experience. Then again, so does Karen Read's defense team. With just about 4 months to go until the retrial of Karen Read, the Norfolk County District Attorney's Office announcing they've tapped attorney Hank Brennan as a new special prosecutor. Brennan, who has more than 25 years' experience in state and federal courts, will serve as special assistant district attorney alongside the previous trial team. In a statement, Brennan saying in part, "I have two core obligations. The first is to make certain that Karen Read receives a fair trial. Ms. Read will receive the dignity and fairness that every defendant deserves in our criminal justice system. The second is to ensure that the facts surrounding John O'Keefe's death are fully and fairly aired in the courtroom without outside influence. I guarantee that I will work tirelessly with the trial team to prepare this case for trial in January of 2025. Brennan, not new to high-profile cases, representing James Whitey Bulger in his federal murder trial in Boston. Karen Read is accused of hitting and killing her Boston police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe, with her SUV back in 2022.
Hank is a very talented lawyer who is very well received by juries. He's got a very down-to-earth style that I think will be warmly received by the jury.
NBC 10 Boston legal analyst Michael Coyne says Attorney Brennan will bring a fresh perspective to the trial, likely with a shorter and crisper line of questioning. He'll face off against Read's high-profile attorney team next year.
What we should be looking for is another extraordinarily interesting trial. And if I were the defendants, lawyers and the defendant herself, this would concern me that they're beefing up their resources and moving forward aggressively to try this case probably slightly differently than they did last time, but that's necessary if they want to obtain a conviction.
Now, we did reach out to Karen Read's defense team for their response to this move by the Commonwealth. We haven't heard back just yet. We're live outside of Norfolk Superior Court tonight. I'm Kirsten Glavin, NBC 10 Boston.
And NBC 10 Boston is your home for any developments on the Karen Read murder trial. Scan the QR code on your screen to access our digital coverage. You can also go to NBC10Boston.com/Karen Read. We will continue to follow it closely for you throughout the weeks and months ahead.